Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. Still. Well, we're 1 week into not having our camper. That's a real bummer. So hopefully in the next couple weeks, Camping World will get our camper back to us. So we can do those things that we bought the camper for. Camping, traveling, all that good stuff. Plus, I really miss cooking in that little kitchen. Well, today I have a super sweet tooth, and I don't know what to make. So I went through the pantry, found some chocolate chips, some flour, vanilla. I was like, ooh, wait a minute. On the internet, I always see these little molten chocolate better than sex cake thingies. So you know what? That's what we're gonna make. Are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. Let's take care of a little housekeeping first. If you're enjoying my videos, go ahead and hit that little red button down below and subscribe to my channel. Ding the bell so you know when my new videos come out. Leave a comment and like the video. Whew, that was fast. Now put your trivet thingy in. 1 cup of water. And your cake batter. Now put on your pressure lid, put it on seal, and cook for 9 minutes. All right, the timers went off. Let's do a quick release. All right, the red pins dropped. Let's take the lid off. Doesn't that look good? Take out your trivet thing carefully. Now get you a towel because these little Pyrex glass things are gonna be hot. And hopefully if you sprayed it with Pam, it's gonna come right out. Just like that. All right, let's break it open and see if the lava flows. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's a creamy center. It's not oohing and gooing out like you see in other people's videos, but it looks and smells delicious. Let's give it a try. You know it's gonna be hot. Oh, yeah, there's lava in there. I see it. See it right there? Found it. That is fantastic, but woo, it's sweet. It is rich. That's definitely gonna knock out any sweet tooth you have. That is fantastic. If you've ever gone out and had flourless cake, that's what the consistency is like. It's not like a cake where it's all crumbly. Very moist, very sweet, very delicious. You know what would make it better? Yeah, vanilla ice cream. That'll help counteract how rich this tastes. Let's play a little of that up and try it. All right. Get a little ice cream, a little chocolate cake. That's perfect. That is fantastic. Now check this out. You want to know a great way to get your kid to stop playing video games? Watch this. Hey kid!
Yeah?
Chocolate cake and ice cream!
Chocolate cake and ice cream? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Holy crap, take it, go, go, go! Well, there it is. It was that easy and that delicious. Well, I got one question for you. Hey kid, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Good, let's eat.